Love is the most powerful force in the world. It can help, inspire, and change lives. But love is not just about romance, gifts, or sweet words. It is much deeper than that. True love is about understanding, patience, respect, and sacrifice. It is not just about how much you say, I love you. It is about how much you show it through your actions. Many people think love is only about happiness, but real love is tested in difficult times. It is easy to love when everything is perfect, but true love stays strong even when things go wrong. Love is not just about receiving, it is about giving without expecting anything in return. It is about standing by someone even when it is hard, supporting them when they feel weak, and choosing them every single day. Love is also about respect. If there is no respect, there is no real love. When you love someone, you don't try to control them, change them, or hurt them. You accept them for who they are, with all their flaws and expectations. Love is not about finding a perfect person, it is about loving an imperfect person perfectly. True love is patience. It does not rush or force things. It allows space for growth, for mistakes, and for learning. It is not about position, but about freedom. When you truly love someone, you don't hold them back. You lift them up. You become their safest, their biggest supporter, and their best friend. Love is also about forgiveness. No one is perfect, and every relationship will have problems. But when love is real, you learn to forgive, to understand, and to move forward. Holding into anger destroys love, but choosing to forgive makes it stronger. Love is not about never fighting it. It is about fighting for each other, not against each other. But the most important love of all is self love. If you don't love and respect yourself, you cannot truly love someone else. Self love is not about finding selfish, it is about knowing your worth, setting boundaries, and never settling for less than you deserve. A person who loves themselves will attract the right kind of love from others. In the end, love is not just word, it is an action, a choice, a commitment. It is the most beautiful thing in the world. But only if it is real, honest, and pure. Love is not perfect, but when it is true, it is worth everything.